Hello everybody, it's John the Don and I'm bringing you another sneaker unboxing. You know me, let's get right to it. Oof. You can see these are a pair of Jordan 1 highs. I personally think it's a clean shoe. This is the Jordan 1 high Bordeaux. Has a burgundy signature color on the Bordeaux besides gray and black, but these are just a solid three-way coloring, which is burgundy, white, and silver on the swoosh, silver on the wings. Got a pair of extra white laces. I personally feel like this shoe is real clean. It's simple. And the crazy part about this shoe is that, if I'm not mistaken, they're still going under retail, which is insane. The quality on this shoe, the quality on the shoe, it's very soft leather compared to, you know, I've had over 40 pair of different ones, and you know, some pair of ones the leather is stiff. You guys know what I'm talking about. Those that know, you know what I'm talking about. This is more on the softer side. I feel like the leather quality on these is way much better than a lot of the other Jordan 1 highs. But as you can see, brand new. These are size, I believe, 8.5 USA. Those that are new to the channel, man, please subscribe. Just making content. Check me out. I do fragrance reviews as well. I've been in the game for sneakers for over 10 years, so I'm just deciding to share a couple content and unboxing about them. Thank you for tuning in, and cheers everybody.